The insurance industry is warning all of us to expect a jump in our home insurance premiums this year.
Companies are blaming severe weather patterns, failing city infrastructure, and people spending more money on their homes, especially their basements. Pat Foran has the latest on Consumer Alert. Pat.
I do, Ken and Michelle. Thank you. Well, the industry says the increases could be 10 to 15%, even if you didn't have a claim last year. Officials blame fires, floods, and ice storms, but they also say people are spending more money fixing up their homes, so when a disaster strikes, it costs more to repair them. Flash flooding in Ontario and Alberta over the past 2 years have cost insurance companies in excess of $3 billion in insurance payouts. The industry says water damage is a growing problem and is the primary factor your insurance rates could go up by 15% this year.
A lot of Canadians are experiencing insurance increases on their home insurance, even though they haven't had a claim.
Anne-Marie Thomas with InsuranceHotline.com says there are 5 reasons home insurance is going up: worsening weather conditions and bigger, better homes. Many people are building larger homes and they're outfitting them with high-end furniture, electronics, and appliances. Many people now have more contents in their home than they did 20 years ago, and there are more finished basements.
If you've got, the great carpeting or the great hardwood and the great electronics and the really comfy theater couches and all that good stuff down there, it's much more expensive a claim for an insurance company to settle now.
The industry also blames old infrastructure in many Canadian cities, like Toronto. When a water main breaks during freezing temperatures, it can lead to floods of an entire neighborhood or apartment building.
A water damage claim, 5 years ago, 10 years ago was $15,000, $10,000 maybe. Now we're in the $30,000 and the $50,000 for a water damage claim.
To save money on home insurance, you can increase your deductible, combine home and auto policies, ask for discounts, install a sump pump or monitored burglar alarm, and shop around and compare. If you feel your rates are too high, check with websites like InsuranceHotline.com or an insurance broker. They can try to find you similar coverage at a lower price. And if you have made a claim in the past year, your increase could be even greater than 15%. If you're doing home renovations, you should check with your insurance company to make sure you have the proper coverage and don't do anything that could void your policy. On your side, I'm Pat Foran.